Right now, Bitcoin is breaking above critical resistance, and in this exact video, I will be talking about this resistance level. I will talk about what will happen to Bitcoin if we confirm the break above, and while this is happening, we're seeing the 3-day MACD crossing bullish right now, and this will be very important to pay attention towards, so don't forget to watch this video till the end. Can we once again smash it back above 600 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content, and on the imminent short term we can start to see that Bitcoin is creating another potential rally towards the upside right now. But what I straight away want to be pointing out is that actually while we are creating this rally towards the upside, we are potentially expecting to see a huge bearish divergence to get created on the 1 hour time frame for Bitcoin. So make sure to be warned for that. The momentum is definitely drying up for Bitcoin. You can see that currently on the initial movement towards the upside, we pretty much went exponential. And right now after that, we've been seeing sideways consolidation phase, and we're right now once again seeing another rally. So usually this tends to indicate that we're going to be having more bearish momentum. However, I'm not saying that we can't go up, but it is definitely a new phase, and it's going to be important to see a clear confirmation above that previous range high. You can currently see that this is also the resistance to break for the imminent short term on Bitcoin. Then on the 4-hourly time frame, we are also seeing that the MACD is about to flip bullish on the 4-hourly time frame, what could also confirm some more bullish momentum on the 4-hourly time frame. And while this is happening, we are right now also retesting the resistance line we've been talking about on the 12-hour time frame. So this is a very important level for Bitcoin to break, because you can clearly see we got rejected by this very critical level, and we're literally trading at it. So it could either provide a very good short trade opportunity right now here, and if we confirm a break above, it's going to of course confirm a very good long trade opportunity. And talking about the long trade opportunity, I need to see the confirmed daily candle close above the 25.2 to 25.4k. If we confirm the daily candle close above this level, we are officially breaking out of this very important consolidation range where we've been consolidating in for over 260 days, 277 days to be exact here. Bitcoin has been trading here for over 9 months in this exact range, and right now finally we're starting to see a potential breakout. If we confirm the breakout with a 1-day candle close, what my strategy is going to be for my next trade on Bitcoin, and I can only announce that if the daily candle close confirms the breakout, I will be longing this very important previous resistance target that most likely at that point is going to flip into support. So that is exactly what I'm currently planning to do here. I am waiting on the sidelines. I am waiting for the confirmation, and once we confirm the breakout, that is the point where I will be longing Bitcoin. So currently, so far, I've not been setting up my levels, but I'm waiting for that potential retest. So I am looking to trade this on Bybit. If you're interested in trading yourself as well, don't forget to first of all subscribe to the channel, because we will be sharing everything if I'm going to be opening up a new trade here. And also sign up an account on Bybit using the link in the description, because then you can also claim a deposit bonus up to $30,000. So make sure to check that link right now here. Furthermore, we can currently see that this level on the daily time frame, we're currently trading significantly above it, is still the level to break. So it's going to be very important to just see that confirmation on the daily time frame. So all we've got to do right now here is basically wait on the sidelines. If I'm looking at the pure structure on the daily time frame, you can see we've been trading here for 277 days. The first leg, we were of course forming a lower low, and now we're forming a higher low. So this is of course indicating that we're creating somewhat of an inverse head and shoulders, a gaining momentum structure, what is making it all more bullish on the bigger picture as well. So yeah, if I'm purely looking at the daily time frame for Bitcoin, I am actually quite convinced that we are going to be breaking above it, and that we are probably even going to crush way higher than just the $26,000. Because also, if I'm actually looking at the VPVR, we can currently see we are right now breaking above the low volume range, and of course on the 3-day time frame we actually have seen a confirmation. But what is for me still is going to be very important is see the confirmation as well on the daily time frame, because the daily time frame is really going to tell us whether we're really breaking above that region, right? So the 3-day time frame is right now confirming a breakout above the low volume range, and I've been saying it several times before. In the low volume range there's almost no resistance, because we move through it every single time very quickly, and probably it's going to be happening yet again here. We probably will be moving through this level very quickly again. So make sure to keep your eyes wide open. For me, a realistic target for Bitcoin is actually $28,000 to $29,000. That is going to be a very important level of resistance. I expect we will be seeing a massive rejection from off this level, because you can clearly see big support was found in the past. Big support was found right here. And if we will retest this level, I am very confident that we actually are going to see quite a strong rejection. So $28,000 to $29,000 is also exactly the level to break for Bitcoin. I mean, if we flip this level into support, then I am very convinced that this is going to be a very good year for Bitcoin. But currently, that is the level to break for Bitcoin. And if I'm looking at the general trend here, I first want to see the confirmation breakout on that daily resistance range. If we do so, then we could see even a bigger continuation towards that $28,000 to $29,000 target, right? At the same time, on the 3-day time frame, we are currently seeing that the 3-day MACD is actually crossing bullish, what means that we're seeing, of course, more bullish momentum getting generated on the 3-day EMA ribbon. And we can actually see on the 3-day time frame that we're still trading above the EMA ribbon. Furthermore, we can see that on the weekly time frame, like I said just a moment ago, you can see the same structure on the daily time frame. We are still creating this inverse hand and shoulder. And for me to call on confirmation on the weekly inverse hand and shoulders, I need to see a breakout back above 25.7k. If we can close the weekly candle above this level, it's going to be extremely bullish for Bitcoin, because then we're confirming the weekly breakout of this insane pattern that has been trading here and that has been consolidating for over 9 months. So this will be, of course, a very good development for the market, and I'm going to keep my eyes wide open on this exact pattern right here. Once we confirm the breakout, you will be the first one to know, but this is definitely going to be a huge opportunity for everyone out there on the channel again here. And at the same time, I want to be pointing out, I personally think that actually the Bitcoin bear market bottom is already in. I've been saying this for quite a while already, but if I am looking at the cycle where Bitcoin usually goes through, the bear market, the real bear market with exponential drops towards the downside, usually tends to take around 1 year. And then the following 2 years up towards the halving, we tend to see an uptrend getting generated / sideways price action. So according to this theory, the bottom is already in, and Bitcoin also so far has formed its low. What it was formed in approximately, let me say this correctly, what was formed already in approximately 133 days ago here. But ever since then, we've been bouncing towards the upside. And if we're going to be looking at the previous cycles, we usually tend to see, of course, that significant rally towards the upside and followed by another year of sideways consolidation. So my expectation is Bitcoin maybe moves up to $35,000, then sees a lot of sideways consolidation in towards the next halving, and that is the point where the next bull run is going to go start for Bitcoin. So this is a little bit my outlook for Bitcoin right now here. I think that 2023, in the end of 2023, beginning of 2024 is going to actually be quite boring. But 2024 is going to be the year of the bull run, just like 2020 was just like the end of 2020 was also the beginning of the bull run, right? So I think it's going to be something like this here. It's going to be definitely very important and interesting to look at. But currently, I'm just very excited about Bitcoin for the long term, because if you approach Bitcoin with a long-term investment horizon, and I've shared the signal several times before also while we were actually forming this candle, so I think there's a very good opportunity that the Bitcoin bear market bottom is actually in right now. And in hindsight, if we can call this the bottom, it's actually quite funny, because this bottom signal was actually almost the same as in 2019, 2018. So that is very interesting to see in this case. But anyways, this was it for me on today's update video. If you did enjoy, don't forget to slap up that like button, subscribe to the channel, stay up to date on my trades, stay up to date on the channel, because I am about to open up a new trade if we confirm the break above either this resistance line, if we either break above this important resistance level, and I want to be longing Bitcoin on the exact retest. So that's currently what I'm looking for. So don't forget to stay up to date on the channel right now here. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.